we can imagine another method, innovative, much more ecological, to eliminate nests of pine processionnary caterpillars. Currently, small drones for aerial photography and video are marketed by about 100 international suppliers. These drones are lightweight, easy to transport, and very well equipped with multiple sensors, very powerful and sophisticated software. They are able to maintain stable hover flight with precision in position, direction, and altitude. They detect and avoid obstacles with their multiple sensors. The manual control of drones in direct sight or through a virtual reality headset is a standard feature. Drones have associated phone or tablet displays in real time displaying what the drone's front camera sees. We can assign the drone complex pre-programmed missions that it will automatically execute alone. These so-called leisure drones operate in several modes. Some of them are called intelligent, which can identify targets and track them automatically. The most advanced drones have a System Developer Kit, SDK, that allows the addition of configurable functions to use existing software modules in a different way. These modules can communicate with a navigation application and even communicate simply with outside world by closing, for example, an accessible contactor. All these drones, while not intended to carry a tool, can nevertheless carry a significant load, at least half of their own weight, or even more, as long as their centre of gravity remains within the limits where stable hover flight can be controlled by their automatic pilot. This implies a correct distribution of the onboard load and a sufficient reserve of motor power to immediately and automatically correct any trim, roll or yaw, generating higher moments of inertia with a heavier off-centre balancing mass. In a new intelligent, fully automatic operating mode, such as a drone carrying an onboard tool becomes a real robot, which can safely fly alone and can slowly approach a tree instead of trying to avoid it, identify a target, a large white spot on the tree, bring its onboard automate in contact with the base of this target, a nest of processionnary caterpillars, so that it can cut the branch that carries it. Inspired by these reflections, we have imagined a weeding robot with an onboard automate carried by an already existing small drone, or better, included in the design of a small tailor-built drone. This drone robot can find the nest of the processionnary caterpillars by itself once it is oriented on the landing pad in the right direction. The drone automatically approaches the nest until it touches it. It grabs the branch supporting the nest and cuts it, and then it detaches from the branch and returns alone automatically to its home base.